to Beae video tutorial series. In this video, you will quickly learn how to use section of Beae Shopify Page Builder. This video will consist of 3 main parts. Part 1. What is section? Part 2. Learn about section. And Part 3. Section Builder User Guide. Before starting this video, don't forget to subscribe to Beae's YouTube channel. Beae is also available 24/7 to support you. Contact us if you need any assistance. Get started now. Part 1. What is section? The section plays an important role when creating the structure of a page. In each section, there will be columns and elements. For example, this template will consist of 9 sections. Firstly, you will need to use section to create structure of page. Your page can have multiple sections. Each section will show a different content. For example, Section 1 Banner, Section 2 Brands, Section 3 About Us. Secondly, Section Builder of Beae will help you to create a small section of page. You can build a section in Beae and use it as a section in Shopify customized theme. Part 2. Learn about section. It's very simple to create a section with Beae. You just click on Add Section. Beae already has sections with split columns, and you can select one of these sections, then add element and optimize. Or you can add a section, add inner row to split columns. Customize by size, and add the element. To save time, Beae has lots of templates for each section. You can search newest, trending, feature, or favorite template for image with banner. Testimonial. Pricing. Feature collection. Service and more. You can drag or drop to the design position and customize. Navigator will display on the section in your page. For each section, you can customize layout tab, style tab, and advanced tab. In layout tab, you can customize section layout and structure. With the section layout, you can customize content width, content height, column gap, and horizontal align. With structure, you can set HTML tag or add column and adjust column size per section. In the Style tab, you can change the background, customize the background overlay, shape divider, and more. You can change the background here. This background can be an image, color, video, or gradient. To make the background more attractive, use background overlay. There are a lot of interesting things in Shape Divider. You can choose the design style. position, and customize. You can also customize the border and typography. In the Advanced tab, you can customize spacing, enable sticky, responsive, and more. Margin spacing. Margin is the distance between sections. Padding is the distance between the section and the column. In particular, enable sticky is an extremely interesting feature. When you assign a section to sticky on top, this section will always stick to the top and will not disappear when pulled down. Conversely, if you choose stick at the bottom, that section will always stick to the bottom. Finally, there is responsive mode, which allows the section to be shown or hidden on different devices. For example, when I select Hide on desktop, this section will only be visible when customer using mobile or tablet. Also, when you right-click, you can duplicate or copy and paste the section. And part 3, Section Builder User Guide. You can build a section in Beae and use this as a section in Shopify customized theme. Section Builder, you can create a specific part of your page, such as product, contact form, or anything you want to insert on your page. Let's create a section and add it to Shopify store. Step 1. From the dashboard, head over to the Section Builder. Here you're going to create a new section. Alright, you have two options. If you already have a section sample or have a template you want to add, choose Start from scratch to create your own section. If you don't have any idea yet, choose Template. Here we provide more than 200 templates for you to choose. You can choose Start from scratch and immediately show it on Editor tool. Step 2. You add new section and add the elements. Once I have elements, I will go through the Customize tab to get a complete section. Step 3. After all, you can choose Save as my template. Alright, that's all you need to know about the section of Beae. If you have any question, feel free to contact us to have more assistance. Thank you for watching our video and see you next time.